Welcome back to allthingsproduction.com. My name is Jeremy Howard, and today I'm going to share with you guys the process and the beginning idea of how this Ableton Live set came to be, which is also going to be offered as a free download for you guys. Allthingsproduction.com. If you're not already a member, please sign up. It's free membership. Post in the forums, ask questions, request help. We want to help you. We want to make videos for you that you cannot find online on things that you do not know how to do or how to do that well, or want a different explanation. We want to do these things for you guys. So today, this Ableton Live set began with one of my most memorable, influential childhood moments when I heard Van Halen Jump for the first time. That first chord, boom, on that Oberheim. I knew that sound was going to be with me and going to play an important role somehow. And here we are. That's got to still be my most favorite sound on the planet. So I was thinking about buying one. Find one used for $3 or $4 grand probably. But I thought about it a little bit, and I figured, well, let me look online to see if there's maybe a plug-in version that I could get relatively cheap or cheaper. And lo and behold, some great chap put his heart and soul into it and had the same type of passion and created this OBXD. Pretty much the plug-in model of the Oberheim synth, one version anyway. And you would not believe the price of this. It's free. It's awesome. So I'm like, well, what the hell? Nothing to lose. Let's see what it's got. So I downloaded it, opened it up, and I don't think I went through any of the presets. I just started messing around with it and started thinking that I want to make it bigger, thicker, lusher than it already was, and to get as closely resemble the sound of that Van Halen Jump synth. So this is what I came up with. Free plugin, OBXD. There will be download links on allthingsproduction.com right underneath the download for this Ableton Live set. I've also created presets from the parameters that I've set inside of each one of these plugins. I used the default settings and then just started tweaking them until I got it to where it is right now. So those will be available for you as well. So the OBXD is one that I've used. I've also used Locomotive. So before I get that far, a little bit about the workflow. Simple. But you have to have a plan of action, and you have to have that idea and know how you want to get from one point to another. Doing this live set was similar to a macro mix and a micro mix. You get your mix session and you create all your buses, you route everything, you label everything, get everything set up. That way it's nice and tidy and clean and easy to understand and follow to make your workflow a little more streamlined and less worry about where things are, so you can have your creativity and focus. And kind of started like that. So I created 3 groups. One for the bass synths. The bass synth group, of course, has a low compression, device chain with 2 synths there, and also Tyrell and 6. So there's 3 synths on the sub bass or bass synth group. 3 synth layers there. Within these layers too, like the OBXD, what makes that synth so big and fat and warm is not only the circuitry, but if we were to emulate that in a digital world, we'd need to kind of just think about how the oscillators and envelopes and detune and all things kind of would go together. So I started thinking about that sound, and I knew that I was going to need plugins that had at least 2 oscillators with sawtooth waves, and probably be able to add a little bit of noise. I would need to set one to a fundamental frequency and others to detune, plus or minus, 3 or 4 cents on either side there. Layer those up, filters, and just keep stacking the devices until I get that nice harmonic, full, warm sound of all of those oscillators being shaped and tuned just slightly different. So OBXD, of course, Locomotive and Tyrell 6 make up 3 synths just on the bass synth. In the mid synth group, we have another OBXD with different parameters again. And again, I've saved all the presets for you guys that way you can load it up quickly and have the same sound to work from, or feel free to tweak it on your own. Grand piano for a little bit more, kind of pluck, quick attack sound, high sound to add to it. The high synth, another OBXD, again different parameters and presets saved, and another grand piano as well. A little reverb. I used a convolution reverb in here, so if you have Ableton Live Suite, you will already have this. I've already set some of the parameters here, and a little delay. So, in this session, I've already record armed these tracks here, so we can get some sound out of here, show you guys what it sounds like, and maybe just kind of have a little bit of fun and see what you guys think about the sound, and maybe post a comment and tell me how good or bad I did with the sound design and trying to imitate that Oberheim Van Halen synth. The reference I used was the actual YouTube video from Van Halen Jump. So, of course, it's not the best quality in the world, but maybe that'll give me a little slack. Okay, so pull that master down a little. Let's see what it sounds like. So let's do something here real quick. Let me add a backbeat here so I can get those chords down and just kind of have a little bit of fun, show you how easy it is again, which you guys probably already know on how to create inside of Ableton Live. It's so awesome in Session View. The workflow is sick. Presets, audio, instruments, drum rack. Just toss this guy in here. Kind of give me a second to set this up. Good. Solo that guy. Push the tempo a little bit. Back in the beginning. See what my grid looks like. Not too bad. Quantization might be on. Good. Cool. All right, so let's take this out of solo, out of record. Let's throw some chords down here. Cool. Good enough for me now. That's a little quantization there. All right, so let's copy, paste, 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 paste. One important element of that chord arm, and didn't quite sound like I thought it should have. So we're going to go here. We're going to overdub. just having a little fun. So yeah, if you'd like the free Ableton Live set, maybe you want to post a comment, let me know what you think. Hope you can make some use of it and have fun with it at least. Yeah, allthingsproduction.com. Check it out. Let us know what you think. Ask questions. If you guys need any support, any help with anything, as far as us making a video for you on how to do something that you cannot find any help with online, or maybe want to look at a different perspective from it, contact us, post in the forum, let us know. We'll be glad to help. Cool? Awesome. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the free stuff, and enjoy your day. Until next time.